Maintaining the Anycheck is very important because there is a chance that blood and foreign matter can go into the machine and it can affect the measurement. And this is why using the barrier sleeve is very crucial. To clean the device, start by disassembling the front guide. Next, utilize the Allen wrench to disassemble the tapping rod. Use the pipe cleaner to clean the front guide with alcohol. Then, use the alcohol swab to clean the tapping rod. Do not use disinfectant sprays as it is crucial to prevent the disinfection fluid from penetrating into the inner part of the product. Additionally, never use oil or lubricant. You can only sterilize two components in the Anycheck, the front guide and tapping rod. In high steam sterilization, the free vacuum option can be selected. The sterilization conditions are shown in this chart. The sterilization temperature should not exceed 135 Celsius or 275 Fahrenheit. Remove the components from the autoclave immediately after completing the cycle. Allow them to cool down before use and handle them carefully when they're hot. When reassembling the components, start by assembling the tapping rod with the Allen wrench. Handle the tapping rod with care, as it is a sensitive component that can easily bend or become damaged. Then, assemble the front guide. To calibrate the device, tap on the target bar, place it on the target bar, and test its stability twice. If both IST levels read around 86, it is ready to use.